What's up? Quick short. I got the boat back from the wrap shop. It looks awesome. Minn Kota. As you can see, the title sponsor is Humminbird. Discover Greenwood. That's the city of Greenwood. Great place. Awesome doing the barbecue festival. Y'all look it up in July. In July. The barbecue festival comes to Greenwood, South Carolina. Hundreds of vendors, barbecue champions, the whole nine are there. Atlantic Bay Mortgage. Y'all need to get a house. That's who you need to contact. Lakewood, we're gonna be doing some stuff with them later on. Real Snot. Z-Man, Hayabusa, the best hooks, the best rod and reels, right there. Now, a little sneak. Yolatech, been dealing with Christian a long time. We got him on board. Great guy, great company. I do a lot of my videos with his mounts, camera mounts. Motormate, been knowing those guys a long time. I'll actually be doing some shows with them, working with them a little bit more. New crankbait sponsor, that's right. Hard bait sponsor right there, Yo-Zuri. Interesting story on that. We'll get to that later on. But an interesting story on that deal. So anyway, we got the boat back. On Point, Jason Williamson, elite bass angler, is who did my wrap. On Point Wrap Factory. They're in Aiken, South Carolina. On Point Wrap Factory. Like I said, they did a good job. Quick turnaround. They actually came up with this design. I was actually perfectly fine with running my old design. And then he wanted to do something different. I said, well, give me what you got. And I think it turned out awesome, man. That blue just makes it pop. Along with matching the boat, the blue in the boat. So I love it. And I actually got a lot of reviews from the pictures I sent to a couple people. But yeah, I love it. So y'all check him out. Hit him up on Instagram, Facebook. Jason Williamson, the Bassmaster Elite Angler. He's out of Aiken, South Carolina. His company is On Point Wrap Factory. So y'all hit him up. Get your boat, truck, camper, dog, cat, whatever. Get it wrapped up. He'll hook you up. Y'all be good.